Hello my friends, my name is Gleb. I'm co-founder of Panther Power Clean, best pressure washing services in all of West Broward County. And today, Gleb is gonna give you a tour of the pressure washing van, the Panther van. So come with me guys, come with me. Alright, so here we have the Panther van. How did we get the name, you might ask? Panther Power Clean, Panther van, you know? It's meant to be. So if you need a driveway cleaning, we'll have a link in the description to our website. Hit us up, we'll clean any driveway, any walkway, you know, anything you need to get clean. Lanai, we do everything. So just hit us up, we'll give you a quote for free. So, start us off, most important part, pressure washer. This is a Simpson 4200 PSI, 4.0 gallon per minute machine. Very powerful, cleans every driveway, all the mold, all the dirt will go away, I promise. To go along with this, you have a surface cleaning disc. It's a 20-inch, I don't know the brand name, but it's a good brand, I promise. Very good surface cleaning disc, highly recommend. 20 inches, goes perfectly along with the 4.0 gallon machine. You know, that supplies enough power for this to run at its full efficiency, it's perfect. Now here, we have a little hose. This is used to clean up equipment after jobs. So we just finished a job, a lot of dirt, because we cleaned it very well. So the equipment is dirty. You lay it out right here, spray it down with the water from this, you know. It's a lot easier than having to run a hose from the house. We already have it here. It's connected to the garden hose. So we just turn the valve, water runs out, we clean it off. Grab a microfiber cloth right here. Clean up the surface cleaning disc, whatever else got dirty, we clean it up. It looks brand new, shiny, we put it in the van. You gotta make sure that the van is clean. You know, it's the most important part of our job. Make sure everything is clean. Now let's move on to the garden hoses. This is a Monster 200-foot pressure washing hose. Very long and good. This can reach any backyard. You know, anything that needs to be cleaned, this will reach it. This is a 100-foot garden hose. This has a quick connector on it. So we take one of the other quick connectors, or the other like ends, we put it into a spigot. We run this out to this spigot, quick connect it on. Then we don't have to struggle with like putting it on and everything. A lot easier just having a quick connector. This leads straight to the pressure washer right here, as you can see. It goes into there. This also goes to the pressure washer through this high pressure hose. We have our soap tank here. That's pretty much it for this side. Let's move on to the other side.
Do you want to enable the lights for the van?
Good idea.
Interior lights.
No other van has this. It's especially built for Panther Power Clean by the government. Here we have some strobe lights here. If there's ever traffic, we just put these on and we'll get to your driveway in 10 minutes, you know? It's like a pizza delivery. We have our interior lights here. Those are blue. It's kind of hard to see, but we have some lights here too. Makes it just look all nice and pretty, you know? Yeti cooler. Keeps us hydrated, in good shape to clean driveways basically. So recommendation from Panther Power Clean, get smaller gas tanks. The big ones spill, hard to handle, not a good experience. Smaller ones, easy to handle, they don't spill, perfect. Most important part of the driveway cleaning process. You need food, so we have some nutritious chips here, whole grain, healthy. Some protein bars, because we go to the gym and we're not skinny losers. And we have more protein, because we're not skinny losers.
Absolutely.
We measure your driveway to every inch. So we have a little measuring stick, a measuring wand. How this works is take out this, you go along the driveway, you look at the lane, oh it's like 145 feet, you multiply it by another number and then you get the price. That is the company secret though. I did not just say that. That is pretty much it for the tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please reach out to us. We'll clean your driveway, your backyard, your walkways, your patios, and even your lanais. Anything we'll clean. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Signing out, Gleb.